Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys font size setting. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you change your font size in your Tecno mobile. Friends you want to change your font size, well, how can you change in this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys open your phone setting to change your font size. So we will on guys phone setting and guys scroll it. So friends you can see this type of setting in your Tecno mobile. So guys scroll and guys click on display and brightness. Then guys click on your font size setting, tap here. So friends you can see guys there are three size. As you want to change into small size, you want to change into default, you want to change into large size. So we will change into large size and guys come back. So you can see your font size will large. So as you can see guys your large font size. So like that guys you can change your font size into default, large and small size. So are you friends you have understood how to change font size in a Tecno mobile? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet in next video. Bye bye friends.